This 2024 Jeep Compass is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by OI four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo regular unleaded i4 2.0 L122 engine, and has 36,813 miles. Adventure awaits. Discover the stunning 2024 Jeep Compass, affordable, reliable, and ready for any road. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.